Hey, piss off. Here he comes, mate. Oh, that made him happy.
Fuck me.
Fuck you. See you later, mate. Okay, look at the size
How am I
of
going to
this
get on the
bastard.
fucking boat?
How am I getting out? Hey, mate.
Fuck me, Fang.
This is Fang.
There's a 5 metre croc here, right beside our boat.
Can you throw rocks at
And
him?
we're all stuck here.
He's fucking dusted, mate.
He doesn't.
Don't you put that in no social media.
He's going to get bit, the bastard.
Going up the front to drive this fucking
He's just sitting there now.
He fucking scoffed them fish.
I'm waiting for him to jump up and grab this fish. His name's Fang.
Hang on, babe.
He's a scary little fucker too.
Yeah, mate. Switch it off, mate.
It's off.
Go. There he's there.
There he's there.
He's under the wheel.
Okay, now. He's just sitting underneath the water there. He's just sitting at the back there.
Just there.